happy and excited because Christmas is fast approaching and I can't believe that it's already December. This is definitely my most favorite time of the year because with all the foods and also firecrackers. I love firecrackers. They amuse me so much. So I can't wait for Christmas. I'm going to be doing a Christmas makeup series for the entire month of December. Some looks that you could wear during your Christmas parties or any holiday events that you will be having. So, I hope this helps and let's go on with the makeup.
Primer is definitely a must. Since we will be partying all day or all night, we need to keep our eyeshadow last and stay put the entire time. I'm using this gel eyeliner as my eyeshadow base. This makes my next eyeshadow to look more vivid and opaque, creating a more intense look. Don't worry if it looks weird and unblended for now because we'll be applying an eyeshadow on top of it. Here, I'm just creating a cat eye shape. Then taking this green eyeshadow, applying it on top of that gel eyeliner, using a patting motion to really pack on that color, and also don't forget to blend the edges as you go. Now taking this rusty red pigment, I promise it's red, it just looks weird on camera. Then applying this on the inner 1/3 of the eyelid and also near the tear duct area, using the same patting motion to really pack on that color. Using that same green eyeshadow, I'm blending the two colors where they meet to make them look more seamless. Then taking this dark brown eyeshadow and use this to blend the edges so that our eyes would look nice and well blended. You don't want that harsh lines, it's not pretty. Taking this black eyeshadow to even define more the outer V area, just be careful, you could always apply little by little until you achieve the intensity that you want, as opposed to applying too much and could never take it back. I'm just reapplying that green eyeshadow. I lost some of the colors when I was blending that black. Applying that black eyeshadow on the lower lash line, leaving the inner 1/3 alone. Then smudging that green eyeshadow into the black, taking it a little lower to create a more smoky effect. Then applying that rusty red pigment to the rest of the lower lash line. Now take any matte cream eyeshadow as a highlight to balance the look, since our eyelid is already shining, shimmering, splendid. I love Aladdin. Now it's time to give the eyes a semi-dramatic winged eyeliner. Since this look is for a party, if you want to do a more dramatic eyeliner, go ahead, girl. Now using that same gel eyeliner to tightline the eyes, I'm using this since this glides and applies easier and smoother without tearing my eyes. It's also smudge proof, so it's a plus, so it's alright to use it there. Then apply an even coat of your favorite smudge proof, tear proof, sweat proof, bullet proof, and all those proof that you could think of mascara. Then curl them lashes to make the eyes look more wide and open, and also to prepare for the false ones. Take another smudge-proof black eyeliner pencil that would last all night long, then line your waterline. I will be using these big voluminous lashes that I got from Daiso. Super perfect for the night out Christmas party. Now, let's prepare the face, clean all those fallouts for our foundation. By the way, don't forget to apply moisturizer or a face primer, or both, whichever you prefer, as long as you hydrate the face. Foundation doesn't look too good with flakiness under. In my case, I will just be applying moisturizer since I do not feel the need of a primer. I'm mixing two foundations for that perfect tone that I needed and blending it well over the face. Don't forget your neck and blend well near the hairlines. Highlight and conceal the under eye area to brighten and make the eyes stand out more. Let's pat on some powder to eliminate the shine, concentrating on the oily areas of the face. Better use an oil controlling powder so that our makeup would last throughout the party. And also, this prevents us from looking like a grease ball later on. Let's fill in that brows now. Since our eyes is so bold, I'm drawing it a little heavier just to keep the balance. Applying some eyebrow mascara to keep those unruly, stubborn, has a mind of its own eyebrow hairs. Yeah, believe me, they are like that. Applying just enough of this bronzer just to give definition and shape to the face. Then, don't forget the nose. It also needs a little love. I mean, defining. Yay, looks way better. Putting on your favorite blush. Just don't forget not to put too much. You don't want to be the clown of the party. I'm just using this pinky champagne eyeshadow from this palette and applying it as my highlight. You don't necessarily need to buy a separate highlighter. If you have this colored eyeshadow, that will do. Then lining the lips and applying some lipstick. Don't forget to bring your lipstick with you. For sure, you will be reapplying it when you're done eating and drinking. And now we're done! I hope you give this a try. Wear this on your upcoming Christmas parties. Let me know on your thoughts on this makeup. Leave a comment below. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Please feel free to share your photos on this look. You can post it to my Facebook and Twitter account. I would really love to see your creations. So, until next time, and I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas, everyone!